Thank you very much, President. It's true that Hugo Chávez's economic and social policies are posing a big challenge to powerful interests, and there may well be, as Mr Catania maintains, a campaign to delegitimise his government. But we are not here to discuss the rights and wrongs of his socio-economic policies or indeed the internal politics of Venezuela. This resolution is an expression of worry about a suppression of pluralism and dissent, and that is our business. I think it is a shame if the elevation of Hugo Chávez to an icon of anti-globalisation and anti-capitalism blinds some in this House to the drift towards an authoritarian and anti-democratic system. I find myself in rather rare agreement with Daniel Hannan. This has happened to the mayor of my city in London, Ken Livingstone, who of course belongs to the Labour Party, and this is what he said a year ago. For many years, people have demanded that social progress and democracy go hand in hand, and that is exactly what is now taking place in Venezuela. With Chávez, the choice is not difficult at all. He is both carrying out a progressive programme and doing so through the mandate of the ballot box. Well, yes, as Mr Hannan has said, there are still elections, but there is an undoubted drift towards autocracy and a suppression of opinions that do not fit with the regime. We had some amusement when Ken Livingstone 6 months ago went 5,000 miles to try and see Hugo Chávez, but unfortunately he got stranded in Cuba because Chávez could not find the time to see him. So we all had a laugh about that, but it's actually quite serious when somebody who was democratically elected as the mayor of, I would say, Europe's premier city, finds himself wishing to cosy up to someone who is not only populist but increasingly authoritarian. And that's why we're having this resolution, because there are breaches of human rights going on in Venezuela.